I grabbed these DIY wood stickers from Dollar Tree. They are wood fruit slices, and they have these little engravings in them. And I had a set of acrylic paints that I'd grabbed from Dollar General. And I took 2 of the fruit slices and painted them lime green, and I did 2 coats, which gave nice coverage. Then I took a small skinny art brush and some of the white paint, and I just went over the engravings on the wood slice. And you want to make sure that you put enough paint on. I know this looks a little messy, but it's not going to stay like this. And I did that to both slices, and then I took a dry brush and just wiped over to get rid of any excess paint. I put those aside to dry, and then I took the watermelon slices and painted the rind of the watermelon green. And then I took the red acrylic paint and just painted the rest of the watermelon. Now, Dollar Tree had some other wood stickers to pick from. They had some pineapples, flip-flops, and palm trees. And then I took some black paint and just covered over the seeds. And then I put these aside to dry. And then I did my last 2 slices with the yellow. And I did the same thing as I did for the limes. I gave them 2 coats of paint. Once they were dry, I took a small art brush and just went over the engraved areas with some white paint. And you want to give this good coverage. And then using a 220 grit sandpaper, I just lightly sanded over each slice. And when I sanded over it, it took away the imperfection, and the white paint actually settled in the engravings. And look how cool that came out. And I gave them a coat of the furniture salve. I had a 19 millimeter pack of magnets, and I just glued a magnet to the back of each fruit slice. Next, I had this metal wall hanging that I got from Walmart, and this Studio R12 stencil that says "Hello Sunshine." And I found the proper placement on my metal hanging, and I taped it in place. Using a foam roller and some antique Villa, I rolled on top of the stencil. I hit it quickly with the blow dryer and gave it one more coat of the antique Villa, and then I removed the stencil. Stencils can be found at Studio R12. They have a large variety. And once that was dry, I took my fruit slices and I put them on the metal hanging. And now you have this cute note holder with these fruit magnets. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com, and you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube channel. Have a great weekend.